welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a little bit of my fitness routine lately and a new meal plan that I'm trying, you guys. I'm going to be eating 1,800 calories a day, and that is a lot for me. I'm not used to that, but you'll see more of that later. So here's how I store all of my at-home fitness equipment. I have this little basket from Target. And then, as you guys saw, I keep my yoga mat in the storage part of our Chase lounge. That's how I keep everything looking neat, but hidden. I've been loving this pre-workout by Trace Minerals lately. It's a little pricey, but it's clean, so I know there's nothing bad in it. Doesn't make me feel jittery or anything, so that's the one I've been using. I'm currently doing the Muscle Burns Fat Workout Program on the Beachbody On Demand app. I'm not a coach, I used to be, but I still love doing their workouts, so I've been loving this one in particular. I've done it several times, but I have not actually done it like no days off, like didn't miss a day, like consecutively. So that is what I'm doing now, and I'm happy to say I've gotten through 7 days successfully without missing, so I'm on to week 2. I am doing my bear crawls right now, and I wanted to include this because it's not my favorite exercise because I'm not I'm not the strongest at it, but I want to see myself doing these later with a lot more power and strength. So there is room for even myself to grow, even someone that I do work out pretty regularly, but there's always a modifier in all the workouts, so don't ever feel intimidated if you have to go a little bit slower or modify an exercise. Just keep at it, and you'll get stronger eventually. Just take some time. Be patient with yourself. This is the name of my meal plan, my Fit in 6 meal plan, inspired by our champions, the Bucks. I'm from Milwaukee, and we won the NBA championship. Bucks in 6 was our motto, so that's what I've been inspired by for my meal plan. So I'm just looking in the pantry and fridge to see what we have. And yes, it's looking pretty bare in there because I really wanted to have a fresh start. I have showered and cleaned up. I washed my hair, so I'm just going to sit down here at the kitchen island to write out my grocery list. Have my cute notebook. I think I got that at Target, so if I find it, I will link that for you guys, as well as that adorable rainbow pen. It matches it perfectly. I have my laptop open because I did try to sit down and write out an outline. If you're familiar with Beachbody, they have this like meal plan container system, so you can portion out your meal. So without measuring or counting calories, you just basically put your food into these already measured containers, and you know exactly what portion size to eat, which I love. I've mentioned this to you guys before that I have struggled with not eating enough and then binging later. So making sure that I am gonna be hitting this 1,800 calorie goal, which is suggested by the MBF program. day one, you guys. Happy Monday, even though you're watching this on Wednesday. But the first thing that I'm having after a glass of water is my dandelion tea. I have substituted this for coffee. And you know, if you've been following me for a while, you guys might remember back in the day, I used to do this all the time. I use that little frother back there, mix in that collagen, which has been oh so good to me for my hair, skin, nails, joints, everything. With this meal plan, I am sort of combining a few different philosophies that I just find ideal for my body and what I feel I personally enjoy. So while I will be using the containers, I'm also incorporating, you know, this Fab 4 smoothie formula. And I decided that 3 servings of fruit a day was a little too much sugar for me. I think I'm gonna just do the 1 cup, and even Kelly would suggest less, but 1 cup of blueberries in my smoothie in the morning, and then you guys will see what I do for lunch and dinner later. But this smoothie turned out really delicious. It kept me full for like 2 to 3 hours, definitely until my like late breakfast, early lunch. And I just love the color. I will of course leave the recipe down below. And here is my brunch, I guess you want to call it. And it is this breakfast taco recipe that I stole from Makeup Shayla. She used to be really heavy into keto, and this is one of the recipes that she would make all the time, which is, for me, I have 3 eggs here, 2 cups of veggies, and then I measured out my ground turkey. I'm gonna top it with like about a tablespoon of shredded cheese, have half an avocado, and some hot sauce. And looking at it just makes me feel full, but I ate it all, and I'm on day 2 now, and I ate it all again. So that's how I'm hitting these 1800 calories, you guys. I'm drinking a gallon of water a day. I just pour from this bottle of joy gallon into my Siete cup. Thank you, Ashley. And for dinner, it's all about protein and getting in the rest of those vegetables, hitting that 5 cups of vegetables a day and my protein. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I will have everything down below, my grocery list, my recipes, and I will see you all next week.